With my cousin, and today we're going to show you the most satisfying kinetic sands. So first you have to make the ball, and then we're going to show you very satisfying kinetic sands.
On YouTube?
So let's go make the ball. Remember to subscribe and like the video, and share if you can to your friends.
I made a ball!
We made the ball.
You can also roll it. Yeah.
One.
We have to roll it. I'm rolling it. I made a ball.
So guys, we made our ball. It's not perfect, but we're going to show you something very satisfying about it.
Look at my ball. Look at mine.
Now let's look at my cousin's ball. Where's your ball? Show them his face.
It's like a game.
I almost fell.
I need to make another ball.
It's only been 2 minutes.
Sammy, we should do a video.
We are.
No, on YouTube.
We are.
On YouTube?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Cutting foot. What's that?
We're not on TikTok right now. Oh, and follow me on TikTok. No, we're not. What does it look like we're on?
YouTube.
Yes, we're on YouTube. We're making a YouTube
I'm
video.
almost ready with my eyes. Yes.
That's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe if you can. Goodbye. Have a great day. Say bye, Callie.
Bye, Callie.
No, say bye.
Bye, Callie.
Say bye to the people.
Bye.
Bye, people.
Bye, people-ish.
Okay, bye. Have a great day.